In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notification when you request money in PayPal. If you want to make sure you stay updated whenever a money request is involved, PayPal lets you manage that through your notification settings. This is useful if you want faster awareness of account activity and prefer to keep track of requests without having to manually check your account each time. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, sign into your PayPal account and go to your main account area. From there, look toward the top of the page for the gear icon. This is the settings shortcut, and it's where you can control important account preferences. Click the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings area, find and select notifications. This section is where PayPal organizes alerts and updates related to your account activity. Depending on your layout, you may see several categories of notifications, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. After that, navigate through the available notification options until you find the setting related to request money. This is the option that controls whether you receive notifications for money request activity. When you locate it, toggle it on. Once it's enabled, PayPal will be set to notify you for this type of activity going forward. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that the toggle remains switched on before leaving the page. That helps ensure the change was applied successfully. If your browser or device is zoomed in or out, some settings may appear in a slightly different position, so just scroll carefully if you don't see it right away. Also, remember that notification delivery can sometimes depend on your broader account or device settings. So if you've turned this on but still don't notice alerts later, you may want to check your general notification preferences as well. In most cases though, enabling the request money option is all you need. And that's it. You've now turned on notifications for request money activity in PayPal. It only takes a moment, but it can help you stay more organized and responsive inside your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.